This is the Freesub Shoe Press. Oh, it's a little bit heavy. Unfortunately, with all of these sorts of things, the instruction sheet is probably a little light on, which is why we're doing videos like this. But for the basic instructions, they are there. Out comes the first foam packaging. And then we have a power cord. And 1, 2, 3. We have our heat press. What makes it a shoe press, I hear you ask? Well, let me show you the base plate. Here you'll find a jig which will allow you to place your shoes. Over here you can press 2 pairs at a time, and I'll show you just how to do that. We have the canvas elastic sided shoe, and we also have like a high top sneaker. Now they both work on the heat press. The canvas shoe simply slides over the end, and then that's where you get the pressure on the shoe. If you want to do the side of a high top shoe, then you hold the tongue and slide it around on that elbow, and that gives you a perfect area for the pressure. Swing that into place, clamp it down, and there you go. You've got your heat and your pressure for your vinyl or your sublimation.